Before we dive into the intricate process of avocado harvesting, I want to share some mind-blowing facts that might surprise you. Did you know that with proper care, avocado trees can live and bear fruit for over 100 years? In fact, there are ancient trees in California and Mexico still producing fruit after more than a century. Avocado trees typically start bearing fruit 3 to 4 years after being planted. Yes, this natural buttery fruit takes time to mature on the tree, but once it starts, it can live for over a century, making it one of nature's wonders. Ever wondered why your avocados seem overripe just a day after purchase? It's because avocados don't ripen until after they're picked. Farmers carefully monitor their size and maturity, but you can control ripening by leaving them at room temperature for a few days. Back in the early 1900s, avocados were the ultimate bougie snack, only served in high-end restaurants. Fast forward to today, and avocados have made their way onto just about everyone's plate, though they're still considered a luxury. Avocados are packed with nearly 20 essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, making them a superfood. Their smooth, buttery texture has made them a favorite in dips, salads, and sandwiches. I personally love getting creative with avocados, tossing them into dips and making a smooth paste to enjoy with unlimited chips. Now, let's see how these people turn thousands of avocados into the perfect avocado cream. These scanners are the real heroes, identifying the best avocados by scanning their size and weight. The avocados are then packaged equally based on this data. It's all done with precision, including robotic stamping. Avocados are also rich in fiber, containing around 13 grams per fruit, which is about half the daily recommended intake for adults. If you eat one avocado a day, you're covered on the fiber front. However, avocados require a significant amount of water to grow, around 350 liters per fruit. This is particularly concerning in regions like California, where water scarcity is a critical issue. The rising demand for avocados has led to increased farming. From being spread on toast to being used in dips and sauces, avocado paste is becoming a popular, convenient way to enjoy this fruit. Watch as these machines mash avocados into a thick, creamy paste. The process is controlled to ensure the paste has the perfect consistency, not too thick, not too runny. Avocados have evolved beyond just being a food item. They've become a cultural symbol of luxury and health, thanks in part to social media. Avocado toast, for example, became a viral sensation, with influencers sharing their perfectly plated creations. Once the avocado paste is ready, it's carefully packed and stored to maintain its freshness and flavor. And if you're wondering how we get those frozen avocado chunks, here's a look at that process. Frozen, chopped avocado packs are gaining popularity, offering a convenient alternative to fresh avocados. These packs are now a go-to for chefs, restaurants, and catering companies, helping to cut down on food waste while ensuring a steady supply. But it's not just avocados that require care. Almonds, grown in California's vast orchards, also need special attention. Beekeepers even place hives in the orchards to help with cross-pollination, which is crucial for almond production. Almond trees rely on bees for effective pollination, transferring pollen from one tree to another. By late summer, when the almond hulls start to split, it's time for harvest. The almond harvest relies on sophisticated machinery. These machines are designed to shake the trees just enough to release the almonds without harming the tree. Once the almonds fall, sweeping machines gather them up, ensuring a quick and efficient process. After harvesting, the almonds are transported to processing facilities, where they undergo cleaning, sorting, and further preparation. Some almonds are roasted and blended into delicious almond butter, while others are prepared for sale in their natural form. Switching gears, let's visit the sunflower farms of Ukraine, the world's largest producer of sunflowers. These vibrant fields stretch for miles, and the seeds harvested here are used to produce sunflower oil and other products. Sunflower seeds are harvested when the heads turn from yellow to brown. The machines gently remove the heads, extracting the seeds for processing. Whether it's the avocados turned into creamy dips, almonds turned into butter, or sunflowers transformed into oil, each of these natural wonders undergoes a fascinating journey from farm to table. These advanced farming and processing techniques ensure that we can enjoy these luxurious and nutritious foods year-round. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the world of avocado and almond farming. Stay tuned for more fascinating looks behind the scenes of the foods we love.